Johnson County in north-central Texas, Ellis County in north-central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Glen Heights, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Alvarado, Ovilla, Venus, Ferris, Palmer, Italy, Grandview, Oakleaf, Maypeel, Bardwell, and Alma. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 15 and 22. Interstate 35E between mile markers 378 and 411. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 266. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service